that's what we're here to do.
This is the first one that I've been a part of, and I'm quite excited to be here. I'm dying to shop, but they're not letting me. Hurry up, please. If you guys are done with it, we'll take her shopping.
It's a very sad situation when, as a woman, we have to actually ask or that it's something that we even have to discuss. Having said that, I think the fact that we should be able to live our lives the way we want to without any fear, to be able to speak our minds, to express ourselves the way we want to, wear the kind of clothes we want to, keeping our culture and tradition in mind. Because I do respect the fact that we're Indian, we've been brought up a certain way, which is very, very unique to our country, and I love that. I love the fact that as Indians, when we go abroad, we stand out from the rest. So keeping that in mind, as long as we can live our lives the way we want to and be expressive about our thoughts.
I think if we stop discussing it and looking at it like that, it will also enhance the fact that women deserve to be given more than equality. I think women are the stronger gender. They're the more sensitive, more sorted, more emotionally coherent gender. It's unfortunate that we have to, like she's saying, we have to even talk about it to this extent. Women deserve everything and more. Firstly, I think in our country, most importantly, something that we need to look at is respecting women, which happens very, very seldom. So that is the first thing. Forget anything else. I think men should learn how to respect each and every woman in this country. Forget anything else. So that is the most important thing. Forget films. Forget anything in society, in life, how to conduct yourself with a certain dignity with women. That is what every man should try and learn.
Forget the foreign makeup artist. You know, women that don't get cards for makeup. So my makeup artist is Namita Soni. She's a female makeup artist, and I think it's quite unfortunate that there's no equality in that. I think it's gone to the Supreme Court. 26 was supposed to be the thing, if I'm not mistaken. Recently, I was at a TV show, and it's very strange. But one of the judges of the TV shows, her hairstylist asked my hairstylist for a card, and they wouldn't let me shoot. And I was just like, a woman is doing this to another woman is really, really sad. I think women can be the worst enemies of other women, and it's unfortunate that it's like that.
This is actually precisely why I don't like to celebrate Women's Day or Valentine's Day, because I don't believe that there should be one specific day to celebrate this. We as women should celebrate ourselves every single day, feel confident about ourselves, never fear anything. That's my take on it.
I think it's disgusting, and I think anybody has a right to their privacy, and it's a breach of. It's like horrible. I don't think people should even like click on those pictures and see them. I can't even imagine how devastated these girls must be. It's scary, right? Something like that. If I'm wearing a swimsuit and I'm posing for the cameras, that means I'm okay giving my picture out there. But if someone goes into my private life, into my phone, which is very private, and takes my pictures, that's a horrible breach. I'm pretty sure it's against the law as well, right?
Sonam, you didn't get Kamal with him this time.
I know. He was actually, we were in Delhi, and I've actually come straight from the airport, and I was launching my cover, and he said, मैं क्या करूँगा मॉल में? So I was like, आ जाओ हम साथ, खूबसूरत photo op, and he's like, नहीं, मैं थक गया.